Welcome to our channel. Boost Wi-Fi signal with Cinamon Repeater, a full setup guide. Unbox your Cinamon Repeater, carefully open the box and take out the Cinamon Repeater, power adapter, user manual, and any included Ethernet cable. Check that nothing is missing. Plug it in, plug the repeater into a power socket near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait until the power light turns solid, showing it's ready to set up. Reset, if needed. If you've used the repeater before or it's not connecting properly, press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds until the lights blink. Connect to repeater Wi-Fi. On your phone or laptop, go to Wi-Fi settings and connect to the repeater's network, usually named Cinamon XXXX or similar. Open Setup page, open any web browser, like Chrome or Safari, and enter 192.168.10.1 or http://ap.setup in the address bar to open the setup dashboard. Log into Admin Panel, use the default login credentials, username, admin, password, admin, unless they have been changed previously. Choose Repeater Mode. On the Setup page, select Repeater Mode so the device can capture and extend your home Wi-Fi signal to a wider range. Enter your Wi-Fi password. From the list of available Wi-Fi networks, select your main Wi-Fi name and enter its correct password to connect successfully. Wait for configuration. After entering the password, wait patiently while the repeater connects and reboots. This may take 1 to 2 minutes. Reposition for best signal. Unplug and move the repeater to a central spot midway between your router and the weak signal area for best performance. Enjoy fast, extended Wi-Fi. Thank you for watching.